We've been waiting 3 months for OnePlus to release their collaboration phone with Genshin, the Ace Pro Genshin Impact Edition. I promised you guys I would do an unboxing video of it, so we got the phone right now. Will this collaboration be better than the OnePlus 9RT Genshin Edition? Let's check it out. The box is very large, red in color with the Genshin Impact logo in the middle. The interesting part is the black box inside, which has the front of Liyue Harbor printed on. When you open this package, it also means that you have entered the Liyue Harbor. Waiting for you inside is 77th Director of the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor, one of the most powerful DPS character in Teyvat, Hu Tao. This is an acrylic ornament with a multi-layered structure inside, and when you turn the viewpoint, there will be a slight 3D effect. The build is excellent and looks great everywhere it is placed. At least for me, it was worth buying the phone for the ornament. Below the ornament is the Ace Pro Genshin Impact Edition phone, which we will talk more about later. There are 4 red boxes at the bottom of the phone, so let's see what's inside the 2 big boxes first. In this box, there is also a small ornament. It's a little ghost. You guessed it, it's that naughty ghost next to Hu Tao. It is very lovely no matter what's the pose or expression it's with. Also, what's inside this large box is a phone case and some pieces of paper. First, look at the phone case. The design uses red and black butterfly elements and Hu Tao's name in the lower corner. And with the new material, the phone can cool itself faster. If you buy the same type of case at your own expense, it's worth at least $20. These pieces of paper contain not only instructions, but also Hu Tao stickers, a card with a redemption code. It can be exchanged for 4 gifts, including 1,000 Primogems. Unfortunately, these gifts can only be redeemed on the Chinese servers and are not available on servers in other regions. Don't be sad, OnePlus at least gave you a step of Homa, not in the game, but this, the SIM card pin. Homa is the best weapon for Hu Tao, and I still like the carefulness of OnePlus. The only thing I would complain about is the weapon is a little flat for a collector's item. The other 2 small boxes are the charger and the cable. The charger is printed with a red butterfly pattern, and there is also a big poster of Hu Tao. I still like all the accessories of Ace Pro Genshin Edition. It's much better than last year's OnePlus 9RT. Let's take a look at what's new in the design of the phone. The main design has not changed. For example, the back cover is still glass, the frame is still plastic, and the lens module has not changed. The back cover has many more patterns. The most noticeable one is the Hu Tao's icon in the middle. Like the logo of OnePlus, it has a glossy finish and it will stand out in the sunlight. There are flame patterns all around, which also show different visual effects in the light. There is even a flower pattern at the flash that is the same as Hu Tao's eyes. Although all the designs are very detailed, I think OnePlus could have done better. Remember the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 limited edition? That's the design that will make fans happy. Of course, the system is also customized. Both the charging animation and the fingerprint unlocking animation have pyro elements designed. AOD is also designed with all the elements of Hu Tao. From the keyboard to the app icon, the overall look is very Hu Tao. Even her birthday is marked in the calendar for you. But the control center remains the same as other OnePlus phones, without any change. The most interesting design on the phone would be the sound using Hu Tao's Chinese VA. If you receive a message, you will hear her adorable voice. Shoo! A phone call in, she would sing. If you can speak Chinese, then you can even talk to the voice assistant and her voice will turn into Hu Tao's voice. If you like to use your Chinese voice when you play Genshin, then this is definitely for you. Since the Ace Pro is actually the Chinese version of the OnePlus 10T, it has all the good features you can check out in the previous video, so we will only test it for Genshin performance this time. By the way, Genshin Impact is already pre-installed in the phone, so you don't need to download it. Ace Pro has performed very well before it's with the Genshin Edition, so we challenged it in a more difficult scenario, Spiral Abyss Floor 12. Do not ask me why I don't use Hu Tao with Hu Tao's phone, because MiHoYo does not give me the opportunity to pull for her. Excluding the frame drops caused by every loading, Ace Pro Genshin Edition's performance is top-notch, but most A Plus Gen 1 phones are pretty much the same, so just to play Genshin more smoothly, it is not necessary to pick this one. I only recommend it to people who like to collect Genshin merch. The Ace Pro Genshin Edition is priced the same as a regular version in China, but there's only one storage option, 16 plus 512GB for 4,299 RMB, around $595. If you're not in China, that big box plus shipping must be expensive. so whether you buy it or not depends on how much you love Hutao. As you can see, the Ace Pro Genshin Edition is very good, except for the back cover of the phone, which I am not very satisfied with. All other things are perfect. Since Hutao has a co-branded phone, does that mean Hutao Rerun is coming soon as well? Wish all travelers a happy journey with version 3.2. Here's Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.